So this is a topic about object-oriented JavaScript prototypes. So in JavaScript, welcome to JavaScript guys. So in JavaScript, prototype are a fundamental concept related to object-oriented programming. Every object in JavaScript has a prototype, which is another object that it inherit property and method from. Prototype enable a form of inheritance and are crucial in understanding how object-oriented programming works in JavaScript. This is a prototype syntax, guys. So object prototype, every object in JavaScript is linked to a prototype object. The object.prototype is the top level prototype object. Object.prototype dot property name is equal to value. Object.prototype dot method name and function. Okay, so now come to the constructor function. You can create custom constructor function and add property and method to their prototype. Function custom object prototype dot property name is equal to value. Custom object dot prototype dot method name is equal to function. Prototype example. Let's create a simple example using a constructor function and its property type. Function animal name comma sound. This dot name is equal to name. This dot sound is equal to sound. Animal dot prototype dot make sound is equal to function. Console dot log dollar this dot name says dollar this dot sound. Constant dog is equal to new animal dog comma wolf. Const cat is equal to new animal cat comma meow. Dog dot make sound cat dot make sound. In this example, the animal constructor function is used to create instance of animal. The make sound method is added to the animal dot prototype, making it accessible to all the instances of animal. Instances of animal, example dog and cat, inherit the make sound method from the prototype. This way, prototype allows you to share method and properties among instances efficiently. Understanding the prototype is essential for effective use of object-oriented programming in JavaScript. C. Constructor function enable name comma sound. This dot name is equal to name. This dot sound is equal to sound. Adding a method to the prototype. Animal dot prototype dot make sound is equal to function. Console dot log dollar this dot name says dollar this dot sound. Creating instance of animal. Const dog is equal to new animal dog comma wolf. Const cat is equal to new animal cat comma meow. Using the prototype method, dog dot make sound is equal to output dog say wolf and cat dot make sound output say cat say meow. So let's break down the step by step code. Constructor function animal name comma sound. This dot name is equal to name. This dot sound is equal to sound. This is the constructor function name animal. It take two parameter name and sound and assign them as property to the object being created. This refer to the object being created. Adding a method to the prototype. Animal.prototype.make sound is equal to function. Console.log dollar this dot name says dollar this is sound. This code add a method called make sound to the prototype of animal constructor. The method uses console.log to print a message indicating what sound animal make. Creating instance of animal. Const dog is equal to animal new animal dog comma wolf. Const dot cat is equal to new animal cat dot meow. Two instances of animal constructor are created dog and cat. They are initialized with a specific name and sound values. Using the prototype method dog dot make sound cat dot make sound, the make sound method which was added to the prototype is called on both instance dog and cat. This demonstrates how prototype allow you to share method among all instances of a constructor. like in overall the summary is this code define a simple animal constructor function, guys. So add a method to its prototype, create an instance of animal, and then use the shared prototype method to make each animal produce its characteristic sound. This is the basic example of how prototype in JavaScript facilitate and code reusability and inheritance in an object-oriented context. So this is all about, guys, in this video, object-oriented JavaScript prototype. Let's meet in the next